Do you want to transform your photo from this to this? A professional-looking, color-graded photo using just Adobe Lightroom with the help of ChatGPT. Many of us have access to powerful free tools, but we often don't know how to use them properly. In this video, I'll show you how I used ChatGPT as my editing guide and created a stunning final image. First, I uploaded my portrait to Lightroom Mobile, then I uploaded the same photo to ChatGPT and told, I have uploaded my photo which I am editing in Adobe Lightroom. Please analyze it and suggest the best settings for professional-level color grading. Recommend adjustments for all important settings like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, clarity, vibrance, saturation, tone curve, HSL, color grading, etc. Also, tell me which features I should turn on or off, like lens correction, profile correction, noise reduction, etc. I want the final image to look stunning and well-balanced. Then I turned on the extended thinking option. ChatGPT immediately listed all the slider values in order, including exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, clarity, dehaze, temperature, tint, tone curve, HSL, color wheels, saturation, luminance, color grading, sharpening, noise reduction, lens corrections, and others. After getting the full list of editing settings from ChatGPT, I opened Adobe Lightroom Mobile and began working through each adjustment, starting with exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and so on, carefully following the instructions one by one, just as ChatGPT had explained. Everything was going smoothly until I reached the temperature setting. ChatGPT had mentioned adjusting the temperature between +200 to +400, but in my Lightroom Mobile app, the slider only goes from -100 to +100. I wasn't sure why there was a difference. Maybe the values were meant for the desktop version or an older version of Lightroom, I really didn't know. So, I just took an estimated guess and set the temperature to nearly +30 for the time being, planning to come back and fix it at the end. After that, I continued following the rest of ChatGPT's instructions step by step. I adjusted the tint, applied the tone curve, made changes in the HSL section, and worked on the color grading wheels. I also did the final touches like sharpening, noise reduction, vignette, and turned on lens profile correction. I made sure to follow all the settings carefully so that the final photo would look professional, clean, and well-balanced. Since I was confused earlier about the temperature setting and had just roughly set it to around +30, I decided to ask ChatGPT again. I told it that I didn't understand the part where it mentioned temp, +200 to +400, and also pointed out that in Lightroom Mobile, the temperature slider only goes from -100 to +100. ChatGPT then explained that the values it gave earlier were based on the Kelvin scale, commonly used in desktop versions, and for mobile I should set it to around +10 to +20 instead. Along with that, it also suggested updating the tint to +5 to +10 for better balance. Then I followed ChatGPT's updated advice by setting the temperature to around +14 and the tint to about +7. These small changes really helped improve the overall color balance of the photo. And that's how I used ChatGPT to guide me step by step in editing my photo in Adobe Lightroom Mobile. It really helped me understand each setting and gave me a good idea of how to make my photo look more professional. I also learned how small adjustments can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.